Hello and welcome to this video. So in this video I'll be putting you through how to become an affiliate with Best from Africa. So what's affiliate marketing basically? Like selling someone else's product for a commission. You don't have a product of your own, but you promote someone else's products through any means you have. Might be social media, might be physically, just like create videos for it, might run ads to it. Anything you do depends on you. But main thing is when you get people to buy a product using your link, your own referral link, then you get a commission. So Best from Africa is like creating this opportunity for you to actually earn for yourself and make some money for yourself through promoting our products. So the commission on a product in Best from Africa is 50%. So that means when you get someone to purchase a product from Best from Africa, then you get 50% commission from whatever the person pays. For example, these are some products you can promote. Look at the online business models masterclass. It's 30 euros. Price is 30 euros, and then when you promote it and someone makes payment through your link, you get 15 euros. And that one, this is a low ticket one, is watch movies for free, like free movies without subscription or anything. So this is the link also you can promote it and get the price is 5 euros and you get a 2.5 euros commission. So how do you do about this? Imagine promoting it on social media, recording a video on the ads, and you get just 10 people to buy the online business model masterclass in a day. That's about 150 euros for yourself. So just imagine, calculate the calculation and imagine all these things and then put it into work. So I'll just be showing you. It's a very simple step. Very simple step. You should shut up in like less than 4 minutes. So 4 or 5 minutes. So how do you start how do you become an affiliate with Best from Africa? All you have to do is just click. You will send this registration link. You have to just click the registration link, the registration page link. Alright, so this is it. Now this is the page. You have to just put your username, enter your username. Okay, let me say affiliate 1. Okay, affiliate 01. First name John Craig. Okay, John Matthew. So an email John Matthew. So make sure you put in your right email, because the email will be sent notification codes to the email, and also notifications also when someone makes a purchase with your link, you'll be sent notifications to your email. So just use John Matthew at gmail.com. Alright, so enter a password. Password confirmation, password again, the payment email. Now this is also the email. If you have a PayPal email, but if you don't have PayPal, just input your normal email there, your normal email again, and then you'll be paid via bank transfer or any other means you choose. Alright, so if you have a website, I want to promote your affiliate links to, then fine, can put the website here. But if you don't have, just leave it blank. Now how do you use promoters? Just list the ways that you want to promote. You can say through videos, through a blog, any means you have that want you to promote this link, through a blog or through ads, through social media, or through ads. Any means you want to use to promote it through ads, and that's all. Just register and you are good to go. This is your affiliate dashboard. You are good to go. So you have to just, if you want to go for your settings, just click here for your settings, so you can edit your details here. So that's our settings. This is your own page. Now there you see how many people have visited your link in the past 30 days, or you can customize it and put any day you want. So the number of people that have visited your links, this is the commission you have, this is the commission, number of commissions you have gained, and this is the amount of commissions you have earned. So that's what it is. and then you see the chart here about your all visit, commission and earning. So all time commission program deal. So you see the commission is 50% and cookie duration is 30 days. So what does cookie duration mean? It means that when someone clicks your link today, and if the person does not buy today, if you buy later in 30 days time, say you still get your commission. So see here it's very easy. Now how do you get your links? Now for example, you want to promote this online business models, just copy the link for the online business model and come here to your affiliate links. You can see your affiliate links. You just paste link here. See generate. This is your default link, but just paste the link that I copied here. So generate affiliate, just click generate. So this is your own affiliate link. Just copy it. So it's copied. So that's what you send to others. Let me paste the link so you can see the link. So this is what you send. This is what you send to others. This particular link is what you send to others, or you put on your ads, or you put anywhere you want to promote the product. You can even shorten the link safe with any other thing. You can shorten the link with bit.ly. Just go to bit.ly.com. Just go to bit.ly. Okay, bit.ly.com. Just go there and you can shorten the link so that people will not see the referral, something like that. Just shorten the link if you want. You can shorten the link and you can see everything is done on my smartphone. That means you can do it anytime, anywhere with your smartphone. So just share the link with others and all like that. So this is your commission. No commission yet. This is the number of people that have visited your page with your referral link. This is no creative. So if you have videos that can promote the products, you will see them here. We will keep adding videos as time goes on. So keep adding videos here as time goes on. So if you have any videos, you can see them here. And then the amount. This is the payout. The amount that has been paid to you. And this is your settings. You can edit it here. And then if you want to log out, you can always log out here. So if after logging out, what about if you want to log in again? This is can log in again. But if you lose this link, just this page you sent to you, this affiliate page you sent to you, you can see account page. Just click account page. You just put your email and password. You can always set your password here. Just set your password and you are able to log in again. So you put your email here and the code will send to your email, and you can always set your password. Don't forget, you can always promote your link any way you want. When you come here and you paste the link you're giving here, promote. Once you paste it here and get your link, you can promote it any way you want. You can create videos, record your face, talk about the group, what I'm beginning from the group, send to your friend, post on status, and then put register. A lot of other ways, that you can register. Send to groups if you want. Send links like that. Put a write up and put the link there. Send to groups. Do it to your social media, Instagram, Facebook, anywhere. You can just promote anywhere, and you get your 50% commission. So just go ahead and start promoting. The more you promote, the more money you can make. Just go ahead and promote it, and you're good to go. Yeah. So how do you receive your payments? So thing is, payments will be made every Friday. So every Friday, if you have at least 30 euros in your account, like if you come to your commissions here, no commissions at the moment, but if you come to your commissions here and you have at least 30 euros on Friday, expect your payments. So your PayPal email will be here. Under PayPal email will be here. You can always change it. Also, if you want direct bank transfer, you will be sent a mail to send back your, just put it in your website. This website, if you want direct bank transfer, come to this website and put in your details, your account details. If you want direct bank transfer, come to the website and put in your details. So after that, you are good to go. Your payments will be made every Friday. Get your payment every Friday. That's all for that, and that's how to become an affiliate with Best from Africa. So go ahead and start making money with your affiliate links. Thank you.